Hey everybody, got a 2010 Dodge Journey, did a stabilizer bar link on it. I just have to take the bolts out of the steering knuckle so that you have some play. You see how it drops down? You have a little bit more play. So you're just gonna go ahead and take the old one off. You can either grab the back part of it with a wrench or vice grips and just work the bolt off, or just get some cutters and just cut the bolt off because it gets rusty and corroded. Sometimes it's difficult. But on the old one, you can just clamp down with vice grips on the back end and just get a wrench or a socket and kind of work the nut off of the bolt. You're not going to damage anything because you're going to throw the old one away anyways. So that's the way I did it. They do get kind of tight. You're going to need a Torx bit, something like this as well. So once you get the old one off, it's just a matter of simply putting the new one on. And like I said earlier, you take the bolt out of the steering knuckle so that I had more play, more leeway, and then you just go ahead and insert the new stabilizer bar link in that way. Got my Torx bit and I got my wrench. And you just work it in and tension it up to the desired or to the proper specification. And then you can go ahead and put your steering knuckle back in place and tighten everything up. It's not a difficult fix. And I'm sure this procedure works on all makes and models. It doesn't have to be a 2010 Dodge Journey. But again, just make sure you don't strip anything. Use a wrench or just regular old crescent wrench, your Torx bit, and you put everything back in place. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.